though the plank is a core strengthening exercise in itself, it's important to strengthen the deep abdominal muscles. So doing core activation or stomach vacuums is what I'm doing here. I already have a video of stomach vacuums on this page, but essentially what I'm doing is I'm letting my belly hang as I inhale through the nose, and then I exhale through the mouth, and I draw my belly button in and I hold it for 5 seconds. Repeat 3 to 5 times. So here, starting off on the wall, the reason why I'm using the wall is this is for beginners, so someone who's never done a plank before, or if you're someone who struggles to put your body weight on your arms on the floor, this is ideal to start, drawing your belly button in towards the spine, breathing as normal. So here you've got your arms extended using the chair, drawing the belly button in towards the spine, pushing those heels back and down. And then this is harder because you're closer to the ground. So getting closer to the plank on your toes, this is just on your knees, making sure that you're drawing that belly button in towards the spine, keeping your back flat. So this is just before you get to the full plank. Here you're just using something to assist you. So you can use a wall or anything steady and just push your feet against that steady thing. So yay, plank on your toes. So really make sure that your back is flat. So you can always use a mirror just to have a look to see if your technique is right. Drawing your belly button in towards the spine, pushing the heels back. Here you're going up onto your hands. This is if your arms are strong enough to hold this. Really feel that in your core. So just showing you how you can use a different hand position to get more intensity in the plank. This is for advanced people. Up on your toes, pushing those heels back, squeezing the glutes, and note the hand position. You will really feel this in the core. If that's too hard for you, just drop down to the knees, squeeze the glutes, same hand position, still hard.